So this is our staff and they are celebrating Onam today. Happy Onam to everyone, and they are so well dressed, they are looking so lovely, though they are looking beautiful every day, but today it is special. Thank you very much. Thank you and happy Onam to everyone. Thank you. These are our chefs जो हमारे लिए इतना अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं आज ओनम के लिए. They have made something very special. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. हाँ जी, happy Onam.
Happy Onam, sir.
So this is the whole कैफ़े जहाँ पर हम सब लोग खाना खाते हैं. एंड यू कैन सी पूरा ओनम के लिए इसको सजाया गया है. एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग वी ऑल लव.